We're here in the second largest city in Serbia. This is Novi Sad, a very beautiful city located here in the Vojvodina region of Serbia. Hey everyone, Scott Man, and welcome. We are here in what's called the Athens of Serbia. Novi Sad is a very beautiful city and a nice little day trip from Belgrade. It only took me about 36 minutes to get here by train via the brand new Soko train, which is a new high-speed rail that was built or completed earlier this year in 2022. So in this video we're going to be going around the city, checking out some cool sights, and well, of course we'll get some food while we're here too. So what's really cool about Novi Sad is that it was under much longer control of Austria-Hungary, because from 1687 till about 1918, which is around the end of World War I, it was under the rule of the Habsburgs over in Vienna and Budapest. And we're standing here in Freedom Square, or Turk Sloboda, and this is the heart of downtown Novi Sad, and just look at this architecture here. And of course, don't forget about St. Mary's Catholic Church here too. Alright, so let's head out and explore. And we're about to cross over the Danube, which is one of the larger rivers in Europe. Because I believe the Danube starts all the way over in Germany, and it goes down past Vienna, through Budapest, and of course comes over here to Novi Sad, and also down to Belgrade, before emptying out into the Black Sea. But what we're going to next is a very popular spot and attraction here in Novi Sad. We're going to Petrovaradin Fortress, which you can see it just over there. We're almost up to the fortress, but I had to stop over here because look at the beautiful views of Novi Sad across the Danube. This is really, really impressive up here. Even if all you're doing when you're coming to the fortress is just come up here for some amazing views, it's incredibly worth it. Even at the top here, you can get some even better views of the Danube and of course Novi Sad on the other side. Here we are at the very top. This is Petrovaradin Fortress. This is the second largest fortress in all of Europe. It was constructed back between 1692 and 1780 by the use of slave labor, which, yeah, I don't really approve of that, but unfortunately that's how they got a lot of things built back in the day. But yeah, what's really cool is that the fortress, this is where every July is the famous Exit Festival takes place. The Exit Festival brings in a lot of people from all over the world for one big party. Be cool to check that out one of these days. And over here, this is Club Museum, or Museum Club. This is a very popular nightclub here in Novi Sad, located at the fortress. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty cool fortress, I have to say. It's like, yeah, within the fortress you got a hotel, got this nightclub here, you also got restaurants and cafes here. Alright, so we're gonna head back across the Danube, back into the main city. And over here along the banks of the Danube, we have a monument. This is the monument to the victims of fascism. This monument here commemorates the victims who lost their lives during the Hungarian raid during World War II. All that exploring has really made me hungry, so I'm gonna go check out one of Novi Sad's finest restaurants. We're gonna check out Veliki. It's a very popular restaurant here in Novi Sad. It's supposed to have some amazingly delicious food. So I'm gonna go sit down and get some food. I was very fortunate to get a table outside. This is a beautiful day out today, so when I was checking out some of the reviews for this restaurant, I heard that their zucchini stuffed with chicken looked really good, or sounded really good, so that's exactly what I'm getting today. Zucchini that's stuffed with some chicken. I also got some dried cranberries in this too. Alright, so I'm gonna go try a bite here. And it's coated with cheese too. Wow. This is fantastic. The zucchini is nice and hot, very fresh too. Chicken's cooked perfectly too. This is the restaurant to go to when you're visiting Novi Sad. That was delicious. I've been in Serbia for a few days. That was probably my favorite meal in the entire trip to Serbia so far. The food was amazing. The service also was very friendly. Great restaurant. You have to go to Veliki if you're looking for some great food here in Novi Sad. Over here we have the Gallery of Matica Srpska. It is a very nice art gallery located here in Novi Sad. Matica Srpska started in Budapest in 1826 and was later moved to Novi Sad in 1864. Matica Srpska is a cultural, scientific, and literary society. This beautiful art gallery has some fantastic Serbian art dating back to the 18th, 19th, and 20th centuries. Yep, so this is Dunavski Park, or Danube Park. How do I know that? Well, this guy right here just told me. He's quite a chatterbox. I had to tell him to be quiet before I filmed this. But yeah, this park is absolutely beautiful. Lots of green space, lots of trees. There's even a pond here too. This is the perfect place to enjoy the fresh breeze of a Sunday afternoon. It's been really nice just to sit in this park bench here, just enjoying the fresh breeze here. But unfortunately I have to take the train back to Belgrade in less than an hour, so I need to get going and get back to the train station. Oh well. been such a great time here in Novi Sad today. Very nice day trip from Belgrade. But yeah, now that they put the fast train in earlier this year in 2022, it's a lot easier and quicker to get from Belgrade to Novi Sad, only about 36 minutes. Yep, Novi Sad is a beautiful city. So glad I came here. Lots of cool things to see and do here. And of course, that Veliki restaurant, amazing food. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video here in Novi Sad. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click that subscribe button to come along and join for the adventure. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you know when a new video goes live. Well, thank you for watching, and this is Scott, or the Scott Man, signing out.